How to redeem Costco rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Costco rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi offers credit card rewards on everyday purchases, including shopping at Costco. You can rack up points using the Costco Anywhere Visa card tiered rewards program wherever you shop, and the number of points you earn depends on the type of purchases you make. While you earn points just about anywhere, you have to be a current Costco member to be eligible for the Costco Anywhere Visa card. This Costco credit card rewards certificate can be redeemed throughout the United States and Puerto Rico. The way to redeem Costco Anywhere Visa card reward differs from most reward cards. Reward certificates are issued once per year in February and go to all eligible card holders who earn at least $1 in rewards in the previous year. Your credit card account must still be open when your certificate is issued to receive it. If you are eligible for a reward certificate, here are the steps to take to receive it. First, check the last page of your February paper statement if you are not enrolled in paperless. If you are enrolled in paperless statements, you will receive an email on or soon after your February statement closing date. Second, if you use the Citi mobile app, you can also access your reward certificate there after the closing date of your February statement. After logging in, click on Access Certificate to view the certifications on your smartphone and save it. Third, present your paper or virtual reward certificate for redemption at any Costco warehouse in the US or Puerto Rico. So, this is how you can redeem Costco rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.